Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom stew in Minecraft using an easy method. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 red mushroom and 1 brown mushroom, which are commonly found in dark areas or mushroom biomes. Next, craft or find a wooden bowl. Finally, ensure you have access to a crafting table, as this is where all the magic happens. These simple steps set you up for a delicious meal. Once you have your ingredients, open your crafting table. The process is straightforward. Place your wooden bowl into any slot on the 3x3 crafting grid. Then, add 1 red mushroom and 1 brown mushroom into any other 2 slots. The order of the mushrooms and bowl does not matter, making this recipe incredibly flexible and easy to remember. Your mushroom stew will appear in the result slot. Now that you have your mushroom stew, let's talk about its benefits. This hearty meal restores 6 hunger points, making it a great option for quick sustenance during your adventures. Unlike many other food items, mushroom stew is not stackable in your inventory, so each bowl takes up 1 slot. To eat it, simply hold the right-click button. It's a fast and effective way to replenish your hunger bar. Here are a few advanced tips for mushroom stew. If you find a mushroom, you can directly milk it with an empty bowl to get mushroom stew instantly, which is super convenient. Also, consider carrying several empty bowls with you. This allows you to quickly gather more stew from mushrooms or craft it on the go if you have extra mushrooms. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Happy adventuring!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.